It's this kiss.
Hello, Millie. Millie, did you just do a sneeze?
Yeah.
And have you been eating M&Ms?
Yeah.
Have you got chocolate all in your mouth?
Yeah.
And where did your sneeze go?
The
On the bed. Oh, is that your chocolate M&M sneeze? But Mummy's got a white bed.
Yeah.
You made a mess.
Mess.
Does that mean I have to eat you? Yeah, there's the camera.
Come on.
Millie, does that mean because you messed up Mummy's white bed, right? Yeah. Does that mean that I'm allowed to eat you? What am I allowed to eat?
This.
I don't want to eat your sneeze. I want to eat your tummy. Where is your tummy? Can I see?
No.
Why? Millie, Millie, I'm going to have to eat your tummy. I just want to eat your tummy. It's okay, Millie. It won't hurt. I'll just take the best bit. Okay? Can I just have the tummy? I just have the tummy, Millie. Let me just have a little bit of tummy. How about I have... Oi! Are you kicking your mummy? What, can I just eat your nose then?
Nose.
Can I eat your nose?
No.
Can I eat your ear?
No.
Can I eat your mouth?
No.
Can I eat your eyes?
No.
How about I eat your hair?
No.
What can I eat?
Apple.
I can eat an apple.
No.
But Millie, you've got chocolate in your tummy. What are you doing, Looney? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.